I hope that your December 17th is merry and bright. Today is day 17 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. And today we are opening up Barbie Dream House today. It is all pink and amazing. Oh. And we got this little mini luau pin, perfect for our Polynesian living room. So little mini luau here has a beautiful flower in her hair, a lay-on, and a hula skirt. She's doing the hula. And this is actually from a lanyard pin series back in 2002. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. Hi friends, happy Sunday. It is about 7 o'clock and I have been filming all day, doing the Vlogmas thing. Feel okay. It's like the first weekend and I feel like I've really prepared, but it's also the first weekend. We've got almost the rest of the month to mess this up. Anyways, I went with my mom and dad and my grandma to Aldi's tonight, and with Zeus too. And I just wanted to show you a couple fun Christmassy things that we picked up. So, little mini Aldi haul for you. First up, they have these awesome reusable straws. They are silicone, and I thought they were perfect for our Disney trip because they're nice Christmas colors, and I just can't do the paper straws. I don't know about you, but don't you feel like they just ruin your drink? So I'm excited to have these. I feel like now I really want some of those straw charms, but so many things to buy. Then I've been eyeing these everywhere. I wanted one with tassels, but Aldi just has such good prices. I felt like, you know what? Let's get this, and maybe in a couple years we can get a tassel one. It is this buffalo plaid rug. I got it for our front door. We have a like wool, I don't know, bristly mat that I'll put on top of it. I think it says like, hello, welcome to our home or something. But I just love, I've been seeing this all over Instagram and Pinterest and all the places, and people have the little buffalo plaid under the bristle rug, and I love it. Then I got this ornament candle after my mom recommended it. It's so pretty, a nice mercury glass red, and it smells so good. It is spice cake. And it has some cinnamon and clove and ginger. It smells delicious. And then they had this Febreze Air Fresh Twist Cranberry. So keeping things fresh with Febreze, but Christmas. And finally, I've always wanted to be one of those people who had holiday soaps on their sink. And here we go. I think this is Frosted Berries. So it comes with a hand wash and a lotion. So this will be nice to have in the kitchen after doing dishes. Just wash your hands a little bit. A little lotion too. Excited to have this. Well guys, that was my little mini fun Aldi haul. This week, I feel like I'm catching up on a bunch of stuff because honestly, on top of Vlogmas, work has been really crazy. I just launched a website for a client, still kind of working on some of the launch processes with that. And I just have all this other stuff to do. I've got a couple projects that have been put on my plate, and I'm not working the last week of December, so just making sure all my ducks are in a row, so it's gonna be smooth sailing when we go to Disney. I'm in a little bit of a unique category because I own my own business, but I'm also a sole proprietor, so taking off doesn't mean I necessarily get off, and I can't pass the work on to someone else. I just have to get it done, and if something comes up, I have to take care of it even though I'm off. So just want to make sure I'm gonna be really off.
Happy Friday, everyone. We're going to get Zeus.
Poplar. All right, everyone, we just ate and we're watching a little TV, and we decided We're gonna go look at Christmas lights with my fam. So we're all piling in the car. Think we're gonna go to Starbucks, get some hot cocoa or other cozy beverages, and look at lights around town. Papa!
When you got the list?
Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. In today's video, we have a magical brunch at California Grill. This was truly a memorable meal because it was just so lavish and there were so many options. I hope you'll go give it a watch.